I'm going to explain our code of conduct in a little more detail. First of all, regulative principles, 4 regulative principles. I'm not going to go into more detail here, but it includes appropriate behavior between men and women. And I'm not going to discuss that in more detail here either. Second, punctuality means we fulfill our agreements in full on time. When we agree to meet at a particular time, we're there at the time and we're ready to go. Then the next 5, they're actually the principles of harmony that Srila Gurudev put forward. First one, we listen to each other instead of imposing our own mood on others. We try to understand, as Srila Gurudev said, we try to understand the other's happiness and distress. Hide our own mood, try to understand them, and then together decide what to do. He said this is an essential application of the mood or principle of humility. Then appreciating each other instead of criticizing each other. We need to see the good qualities in others instead of the bad qualities in others. Why is that important? Because that's our process. On the one hand, if we see bad qualities in others, those bad qualities will come to us. And on the other hand, our real process is appreciating the wonderful transcendental qualities in our acharyas and in Krishna's eternal associates, appreciating those, glorifying those qualities, and then those qualities come to us. So we start at home by appreciating each other's good qualities. Next, helping each other instead of taking away from each other. This is the natural tendency of the soul to give. So we need to express that tendency of the soul in our everyday relationships with others, and then gradually that will come also so that we're giving in our relationship with Krishna. Then tolerating each other instead of trying to control each other and manipulate each other. Our Srila Gurudev explained that we should understand that whatever happens to us, whatever situations we find ourselves in, it's the results of our own karma. It might be Krishna's plan for us, but in any case, we have to accept the situation and accept responsibility for it and work in that situation. We tolerate. And then the next is expressing ourselves. We express ourselves openly, courteously, politely, instead of suppressing ourselves and suppressing others. And the last, not least, principle is mission first, team second, individuals third. Now that seems a bit scary, but actually the mission is the reason for our life. If we really give ourselves to Lord Chaitanya's mission, the mission of our acharyas, and the mission that we agree to become part of, that gives our life meaning, and it enables us to fulfill our real potential in all areas of life. So the mission is very important. Then being part of the team is the means by which we can help to fulfill that mission. So the team is extremely important. Now the question is, can I really put myself last? If we are parts of a team that's dedicated to helping its members, then when I put the team first and my second after the team, that means that all the other team members, they're looking after me as I'm looking after all the other team members. So in fact, it's a source of strength. It depends on the fact that we're part of the mission, and also it depends on the values. And one of the values is mutual support of the team and its members, or the community and its members.